Ito na, be. Tatry natin yung sauna nila. They call it onsen sauna. First time nila. Dasat, Hana. Here na. Hana is so excited. Hey, they're so kind. Ayan, this is a price for the sauna. 400 and the baby is 50. So, only Hana. Yeah, baby. Hi. She's very adventurous kasi si Hadasa naman siya bago sa kanya. It's new for her, so she told me that she's not going. So, ayan be. Ayan siya, yan yung price. Try natin. Nakakatawa. Tapos tinanong ko, pwede bang mag-video? Tapos sabi niya, oo daw. So, they're kind enough to allow me to take a video. Yan. And ang secret ay, when you ask, you have to smile so that they will allow you. Do you have a vending machine here? Doon, ayan. Let's try their sauna doon. Hindi na tayo. We can't take a video there. So, it's just here. Okay, let's pay. Ayan, and I will pay. Ito siya, be, 1,300 pesos to, be. Kasi parang $6 siya. And hindi ko lang alam kung saan natin ilalagay. And there. Are you excited, Hana? How old are you now, Hana? Yeah. Her sister, Hana and I will tell her sister what we experienced here. And then, one. Hindi ko alam. Tama ba? If we got it. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginagawa ko. Pero ayun siya. 450. Eh, anong gagawin natin? So, kindly help me in the machine, babe. Oh, so they have beauty products here and we're going inside here. Kaya lang hindi pa din gawa ng video. Kaya, game na tayo. Try it, Hana. Ayun o, sample si Lola. Ayan, kagagaling niya lang. Ga-enjoy tayo dito, be. And, wow! We had fun, be! We will go to another one. Mura siya. Wala pang 200 pesos. Affordable. Wala pang 200. See inside. Tell our beautiful friends. Later when we're sitting down there, okay? Steam and then water. And here, bait ni nanay. Ayan. Oh, di ba ito siya, be? This side. Tapos yung dun sa down is the sauna. It's fun. Uy, ang ganda, be. Oh, mala Japanese talaga. It's relaxing. Hana, is it relaxing? So, what did you do earlier, Hana? They have massager. Oh! Oh my gosh. Kano kaya ito, be? Let's look, ah. Oh, this is for the kids. Cute. It's very affordable, be. Wala pang 50 pesos. Kasi, di ba, ang $1 is 150. For a child, it's only 100 yen. So, less than 50 pesos. And for a mama, saan na yung sa akin, be? For the mother, where is the machine here? Ayun, 200. Ayan, you will put the coins. So, she changed us. So, $6 to be, di ba? 300 pesos. Tapos, this is the coin. So, I'm going to put 200 for mine and Hana 100. Tapos, massager na siya. Let's try it. They have a relaxing place here. Next time we will go to the other one, be. The other one is a different onsen. This one I'm going to put the link and the picture, and the other one is different. Hana, what's your experience? What did you see inside?
We saw smoke and we saw
The smoke that she meant is steam and then water.
yeah.
Is it cold or hot?
Hot and cold.
Okay, there's one small one that's cold,
My mommy,
a little bit cold.
Mama.
Then the other one is warm.
mommy got a green tub and then
Yeah,
mixed them
bowl.
together.
It's like a bowl. It's a little bit
calls
big,
it
like
tub.
ganito be.
It's a tub.
Then we put water in it, and I mixed the cold and warm so that Hana could just enjoy. And then we're putting our warm hand on our face, and then later on I put my whole body there. But everyone is walang damit. Everyone has no clothes. Syempre, we're all females. It's okay. So there's also males side and female side. So if you're male, you can go to the other side, and then female enjoy the other one. So now we're going to try this relaxing chair because it's affordable. It's less than 50 pesos, be, di ba? Ang saya. At saka, for everyone. Yung bed, tingnan natin kung magkano, how much is the bed. And then, let's, let Hannah try this also. These are the points of the body that it will massage. It's our first time here, be. I actually experienced this before from Korea. Yan. It's 200, be. O, diba? Ang bait nung kanina stuff. Pinayagan niya ako mag-video. But you can only take a video here, but not there, diba? Ano kaya yun? Gusto kong i-try yung nakahiga, be. Okay, let's try now. We will try, Hannah and I will try it.
How do you turn it on?
We're going to put this here. One hand. Ay, wait lang.
100.
100. Can you please get the 100, Hannah? Can you please put it inside? Thank you, baby. Ooh. And then, I don't know what's the start here, be. I don't know, because I don't know the
it's
language.
starting, Mom.
Put your feet. Is it starting?
Yes, it's starting.
Is it massaging your head? Your body?
Not yet.
No, it's...
And puff that.
Oh my gosh, be. Sandali lang, ha? Hindi ko alam to, eh. Play area for the kids and Vendo. One, two. Pala'y nakahiga, be. Ooh, one. Wow. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bait pala. Oh, yun pala, one. Okay, this one is the laying down and Hannah is using the, chair. Is it fun, Hannah? Be, less than 50 pesos to. It's less than $1. I don't know how many minutes is this, beautiful friends. So when you go to Japan, try the onsen or the sauna. Aray ko. It's massaging everything. Grabe, pati yung legs mo. Aray ko. Halo, grabe. Even your back. Aray ko. Cover natin yung tummy natin. Alright, so let's enjoy it first. I'm going to share with you. Aray ko. It's massaging my spinal cord. The next vlog, I will share with you next time. So it's really good if when you go to Japan, try it. You just have to make sure that you bring your conditioner, your shampoo, your soap, because before you start, you have to wash first in the faucet, because they have lots of faucets. Suppose there's mirror, sometimes there's none, but when you see lots of faucets, then that's the time to wash yourself before you go to the warm and hot water. The water is more than warm. Oh my gosh, you have to try this massager too. Is it relaxing, Hannah? Ouch. It's massaging my spinal cord, everything. And then after you wash yourself, you can go and relax on the hot water, and they have cold too. Tapos they also have rooms. They have rooms that's their store, and there's time hours. Just look for the hours there. And if it's a different language, you can just try to ask. But if you can understand, like me earlier, I can't understand it. I just saw the time. It's 12 to 2. So since it's not yet 12, so I didn't use that room. I used the one that doesn't have time, and that has people inside. It has two. We can't stay long time. It's really warm or really hot there, so Hannah can't stay, but I just let her experience a little bit the feel. So after we went in, like I think it's just 4 or 5 seconds, we went out immediately, and then we went back to the water. That's what we experienced earlier, and I know that this will be a relaxing massage, so I invited Hannah that we will try this. So we're not experiencing this bed. These are the beds. Yan, there's a bed and massager beds. I think they have like down there they have 4 at the back of this board, and this one where I am now, and Hannah has one small chair, and there's 2 chairs side of Hannah where you can be massaged sitting down, where I already experienced that a lot of time before. That's why I want to experience this one is laying down. And yeah, we're going to try the other onsen or other saunas, but actually you can't really take videos inside this one, I'm just taking videos outside here in the living room area and the massager. But if there are people here having a massage, I will not take a video, or maybe I'll just take a video like not on the side of the people. And then of course inside the sauna you really cannot take a video, and you can even bring your phone there, because it's for privacy of all the people, because everyone doesn't have clothes inside a sauna. Okay, there are just all girls there, and then the side of the boys side. So there's two. Oh my gosh, it's massaging my shoulders now, so let's turn this off. We love you, have a great day. I'll take a video of this. Relax. Okay. I forgot to say pala na Hannah's is less than 50 pesos, because hers is only 100 yen and mine is 200 yen. So mine is more than 50 pesos. So 150 is $1. Tapos may 50 yen. Magkano ba yung 50 yen? Yun na yun. Basta, more than 50 pesos. Less than 100 pesos. Aray ko, ang sakit. Ang ganda. I like the one that you're being massaged when you're laying down. It's a bed, be. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You're laying down. You're not sitting down. Relax. Hi, Hannah. Smile to beautiful friends.
It's done.
Wave to beautiful friends.
Mine's done already.
Oh, it's done. Do you want a little bit more?
No.
It's very relaxing.
Japanese sauna.
This is how it looks like. And the sauna is over there. You can take a video there. And Hannah's relaxing. We love you. There's a baby massager and a big versus massagers. There's also vendor for drinks. Hannah, where are the vendors for drinks? Is it fun?
There's also toy machine.
They also have toy machine for kids. They also have TV. We love you, beautiful friends. Mama. Kiss, Hannah, kiss.
Hello, beautiful friends.
Alright, Hannah will try this. That's her TV. She wants to try this. Magkano ba ito, be? Hindi ko talaga alam. Nangangapa tayo sa language. I got a lot. Akala ko hindi makakakuha, be. Let's try this, be.
I think my sister would like the jelly soda. Mama,
You like it here?
a Pikachu.
Hi, Hannah. You like it here? Oh, that's good. Can you please show them?
It's Pikachu.
Whoa, she won, but we have to brush her teeth later. Hannah, is it fun? Was it fun? Yeah. We will go to the other one next time. You like? Next time? Really? You like it? She likes the massager. I don't know if the other one, but there's a massager. It's fun. A fun drink. Hannah will try it. Try it. It tastes like Yakult. Nah?
They're not really tasty.
We love you, beautiful friends.
Hello, beautiful friends.
Hi, beautiful friends. That's how you'll pay. You're going to put your money first, and then you click for the adult. Usually it's on top, and then kids are for down. Adults are usually 400, and then 50 for kids, but it depends on the sauna or the store that you will go into. They call it onsen in Japanese.
Hello, beautiful friends. If you're in the sauna, if you want to go inside the pool place, you pay right over there.
Yeah. Hi, beautiful friends. Hannah was sharing that if it's your first time to go to a sauna, when you go inside their door, you have to leave your shoes outside, and then you have to pay in this machine. they have machine to pay. Adults 400, depends on the store how much is it. But this one are vendo machine. When you put your money, you can click whatever drink you like. So it's same as this one. And they also have a kids place, and then the TV area, and then the rest area. And this one is the for the massage. So, maybe we'll just go back here for massage next time. Kasi, ano siya, bed, you even can massage your feet, and then you can, I think the chair next time will I use it because it has feet. Yeah. Or, I think they're just the same, right? Because laying down or sitting down, it's up to you what you like. If you want to lay down or sit down. Alright, we love you. Have a great day. Hi! Enjoy! We love you, beautiful friends. That's our Sana experience. This is the first one. Next time, we'll go to the other one. Yan, this is Hana. This is the shoe area. When you go inside, before, put your shoes, then you go inside, then you start. I cannot take a video of nung paliguan be kasi syempre privacy nila. Ayan, ito siya be. Ayan siya be. Ayan, this is their sauna. Have a great day. We love you. This is their parking area.
Guys, look at the snow now. It's so thick. We thought that there would be no more snow. So there's my favorite.
Cute na siya.
Wait, you know, should be getting ready. For what? For school. Actually, Daddy said that school doesn't start yet because of the snow. So the buses, the trucks, and cars could be safe. So the snow team is shoveling all the snow. So let's go back to play. Take care. We love you.
I'll tickle you.
Mom, I'm going to take care of the animals now.
Hi, good morning.
Gaga.
You like it?
Happy.